if you are a new YouTuber just like me, who is like trying to like make money on YouTube, make money online in general, like this video is for you. Like we're gonna like talk on everything that you gotta know. So first of all, I'm gonna begin with make money online. So to be serious with you all, like to make money online is not easy, and to be straight to the point, it is not free. So those YouTubers that are like showing you like how to make money online, like those shit is bullshit. Like I ain't gonna lie to you all, like the only way you can make money, like to be damn hell serious with you all, is like if you can like for you to make money online using all those drop shipping, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, CPA lead, and all those things. The easiest way to make money, you can't make money to be like damn hell with your, you can't make money for free on that. The only thing you could do is to advertise those products using money, which is gonna reach out to like many people. So those of you that are looking to make money online for free, like the only suitable way for you to do that is like on YouTube, which I'm doing now. So there was on a video I haven't commented on one of YouTuber video on how to make money online for free. I've done that video saying that there's no way you could make money unless you could make create a YouTube channel and build a brand around it. That is like the easiest way, but you need the time and dedication to on your YouTube channel. Make valuable content that's like does relate to the type of product you want to sell. Like for example, if you are doing videos like how to make money online, you could sell your course, like affiliate marketing course. For you all, like for you all to know that I've been on this thing for a long time, I could tell you like all those primary sources, organic method of getting views. I go show you. I can tell you many amount of, how do you call it, affiliate marketing programs. Like if you go to my YouTube search on YouTube, you will see like 500 videos like of me watching on how to make money online. But for now, I've stopped watching it because I know by myself the only way you can make money online is by making a YouTube channel and building a brand. Like that is just so easy. So like for those YouTubers that are doing all this make money online for free, you're like, you don't know that all these things can be like mental stress. It could cause mental. For example, my name is John, like this. My name is John. I watch your video on how to make money online for free. Instead of me concentrating on my studies, like studies is guaranteed that after school I could like get the job, but this one is like not guaranteed. So my name is John. I watch your video. I do the process you thought, your process to make money online for free. Like so, after doing this, after 1 week doing this, I get no result. Like that shit, like it causes mental stuff. Like you YouTuber don't know. Like come on, like YouTuber, like all those make money online for free. Um, most of them is about doing surveys, which doesn't work. Like there are some YouTubers that haven't like put on their videos price link to get 750 cash app. Those things that they're not scam. Like I don't know why you all don't get it. So the only way to make money online is through YouTube. And if you're a YouTuber, there's one YouTuber like me, um, you all like should like have faith. You're one video away from getting popular. And don't give up. Be consistent with quality like don't like make stupid content. That is to be fair with you. Make quality content that speaks to people. Make a good story telling content. Have a good quality content. Put out, be consistent. Have good storytelling in your content. Like your content, like there are some bigger YouTubers that has 60% retention. Like out of 100% that click their videos, 60% of people watch it to the end because of their storytelling, aka good known as voice over or something like that. Yeah. So have good content put out there. Don't forget, like be full. Like if you have time on YouTube and you make it, that is actually a pro. But you being full time, like have no job, just being on YouTube, and you have not gained anything, like just keep it up. You are trying. Like one day you blow up. Like come on, be consistent with your original content. Don't like give up. Have faith in yourself. Like have faith in your mind. Your mind is your word. what you think is what will come true. Like you all don't know this. Like come on, just keep on, know what you want. Like do this example. Close your eyes. Think of how you will be in the nearest future in YouTube or anything you want to do in life. Don't think of the process. Then when you open your eyes, then you could like be thinking on the process and be considering what you think will work and be doing those steps day to day, which will help you like grow on. If it's on YouTube, you can like be posting video every day, improving your content, improving your editing and all those stuff. One day, for sure, one day you blow up. Like believe in yourself. This is the advice I have for you all small YouTubers and those people who want to make money online. So if you are here and you want to make money online, I think you should start a YouTube. Build a content that is applicable to, like put a link that is um associating with your YouTube content. You get me? Like now I cannot be doing a make money online and put a content of buy chocolates. It doesn't make sense. I cannot be doing a video of how to film and I'll be selling shoes. Make a content that is compromising with your product you are selling. You get me? So for those of you that want to start a YouTube channel, good luck to you all. I wish you the luck. Those of you who want to make money online for free. In fact, let me even go deeper into those people who want to make money online for free. You cannot go to a place to buy something and they'll give you something for free. That doesn't even make sense. If you want to get if I have done knowledge, you could give someone knowledge for money. You could give somebody money for a product. You cannot always go and collect money. Is it that they're dashing you money online? There's no way that they'll dash you money online. Like even though you cash out doing the organic method, that is a free method. You can't get up to like thousands of dollars. I could say that to you all. So you are like, if you all want to start a YouTube channel, I hope you get successful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, like the video so that it will be pushed out to many people. Yeah. And also those of you who want to make money online, I wish you the best. Like if you want to make money online for free, just start YouTube so that we know what you are on. And also don't forget to keep your goals on YouTube, and if you want to be a YouTuber, your goals and subscribers on YouTube, and also your goals for those of you who want to make money online, the money people want to earn. Yeah. And don't be truthful. Yeah. And also let's make this a social thing, and don't forget to like, subscribe. I say this more than 3 times. Bye for now.